Hello, my lovely viewers. You didn't tell me any because and then your Friday. Oh, me African wear now checking it. Me that say it's your favorite girl, Prissy babe, your girlfriend, your crush, your everything. We gon' concern him ano. My belande. Who don't see me that menda? If you say I was say me bro filler no fresh gist in town. I was say me the because one you know what has here ebe ha me. Baby and how benya. You benya we trivia eh. Past tense. She said then, "Ewu, it's a higher now benya. No, ma wakwa baba Atuahene TV so. And then me program one him din that. Te wasu, just need the ma pale no. And I made the bro life and colored. I hear now benya no. Inti mpacho jiji da wakonyem ni enko. Yembon write your very first story. And then, my sister Yvonne Nelson, me am role model, me penasum papa wakasa. Na wakasa no ebia so Ghana chese ye nyina kasa na waka me say me de pan. Ni buafu because yeah bre Ghana youth especially yeah bre ejuma ni ho amache say enkola kitikiti bebre yom hu hihye prostitutes ni nyama stealing ni nyama bebre en chese o man yeah bre o man eduana obodi kra eden o man panyi aden sebi ni die mu o me kotosre aden na we yesa wo ba no wo hye ye bo bebre na se wo ma yensa esifom my sister say when the ramo na me meta na chi because me gasa me bre ye bre youth ye bre enu nti me sister say ebona wa hye ye bebre be na ye to abama o na just say why just say excuse me to say why you adwin say we last year ni nti no unfi ye say ye be dua say ye be ye den yo ye be sisan ria wo fo medu enfa ho if you say wo kwa anya dey o be stand bi me say na me hu no that's my point of view nti me express me hu pa chofa me say man kan ya nanso I was say ye kan ye bre my sister say believing in Akuffo's government is like believing it will snow in Ghana. Hey, sister, Mr. Mano, I saw no, dear. What is the snow? Bet me up to Ghana. Hey, snow, Pabeto or Ghana. Any breakers or brat 10 or the Cassas, and I mean, Tanichi, just say me full chest, a Tanichi. And ye fair, or my penny, you won't be mine, ye what ye slow any demois. What it? Yeah, Emma could do one in sin. What do what the Amayoso? Ye pacha wa me da se ene ase asem na eyama me bofo na so pacha mo do nti mo fa ncha me ye mbora ye next story mu ye next story na me kan hey nkrofo yi na me mpese me kan mo asem bi mu na so na bia so do mo ma me hey omo ma me konkon ma me bride bro omo so nti na me wa yi oni nkrofo me kan mo asem mi sister ya na me kan na asem ma nkrofo trouble me I feel sure the very best friend Diamond appear and sister na mamero aho wama mero aho kire se wama je se ye kan ebuo a ye di man panifo a sebi asemi sister oni bi sebi panyi afo kra na fa weni eto na fia wedi fa weni to na fia wedi sebi obeti so aunt me wo kra na unya ne seso wo busuan mu a sebi nka weni beje when you me papa despite essesu wo busuan mu a una wa chesa we boss lady na so me hu so una boss lady a boss wo corner fam penifo so wo se wo de wo ka na me ndi de papa pe de wo ka wo e de ka uton de ma no chire mu ni hu sese na wo me kan chiro abonti trasa ase wo de wo ka ti wa ki kan so fun afa ne wo se bi adan umu ade anasa pa cho wo penny picture mbo dem ho oh enye fe my kasasa what to me can some you cheat a lot of young entrepreneurs low key and make them lose money and pretend you're Jesus in public. Very funny. I lost all the respect I had for you people when you refused to pay me that small money you owe me. You didn't know I was a sleeping lion, right? Oh, like sister. One no yadodo. Aden. when I was say small money, and I was we a boss lady. It's a boss lady, that's a small money. Let it go. When I was we a boss lady, that's a sikana. You said it yourself. Say it's small money. Why should you come publicly and disgrace somebody's father, a respected man for that matter? I don't know, yes sir. I say those that don't know what happened should shut up. Hey, to say me, I don't know. Me to me swing shut up because me shut up. I need me. I mean, then I mean, remember my chef on Muntie. But some craft for I mean, the main commanding. I don't just wake up to write things. I'm well educated, civilized, and intelligent. But if you mess with me, my intelligence, and think you can outsmart me, that is when I will show my ugly side. Hey, sister. Fine. We are educated, civilized. Oh, brofuni nyina wa come on. Then as a civilized person, as you said it yourself, you should know that things like this shouldn't come public. Me na make actual me my advice. So I know be an tool for me ma upa be show me na bo me nyame so hwe wo mu we. Nti no ma obuo embre mu asem we mo betimi aso me out nicely. Nti adent na obab wonti be go because within the birthday just esa kaya say woody we sidan ma wonua no ma enye news na ya ka ne sen Regina Daniels esikonoma 19 years we sidan ma ne maame I no cramp. Hey sister mo ade anasa mpacho Regina Daniel or Nigeria ahanso ye Ghana ye papa no e ka kitikiti bia wo so wodi nyina ye respect no ye pen sa say na wo si we lose respect and me say me that so respect man. Yes me say onya me but say why me boni kra na me ma bonti me guni ni ma say na wo na wo civilized people don't behave like this. My sister, I'm sorry. Me can't say uncle you afacha me, but I don't think a civilized person would do this. Me that say why? And then me the was say me see my for me buo fu pamant. Me ma ono ne hwehwe ni mo obeye no e be say mood nti entu aye next story and me sister bia ya de ama me je hu a and so you be fan sir but you sister ya fan sir mamumun. Yes, I actress. Hey, Ojini Dimpa or Ghana just say, oh, one name some patch on the picture and them screen so. Sama muni. Or your actress, I wouldn't name na. Sister Fefe ya honey. Me patch oh. Watoka. Watoka, I'm a Shatawale. Shara movement, Shatawale, who's not saying Shatawale be a business shaksi. Say wa unti asie no shaksi no unti asie mpacho uba yango ni hen in Akuffo Shatawale bie binti wa bia unam street na say taxi mba eja wa download the app na e papa na wa be fok me sister say wa to car mashata say on fan supporting the business me tie na I was see egu me hu na me rest an ho ye say caption on chiro ye say pacho me ba I mean read the caption na ma that's it. When you have rich friends, it's cool. Thank you, Samamumini. My Shaxi team just told me they received the car. You got to support. Hey! Me tell them so okay. Me patch away madam for now when you're rich. I started here rich. We say any rich niggas, any rich bitches, and echo. When you're rich, I won't cast squad no. It's patch away my friend because me say, you're rich. Oh yeah, I'm rich. Wow, show me dressing. Into the patch away, madam for now. You're rich. I started so you're rich. He said, this year be call ending. No matter dropping me broke niggas. Now you're my friend. Now you're broke. I mean, because yes, your business now. Your friend, a support you. It's so encouraging. What you say? Into no. Me that's nyamisha sister mumuni. Yeah, that's yeah the be juma so kama. Yeah, that's nyamisha say watch that yeah shata or do say. Me that's my hair for yenda na se my shatter why but you yamba me next story me sister Nadia Buare or my young youth no and man especially on my very nice advice and yamba ni ke come obia advice na me sister Nadia mama she said me video na ha etoma kuma so na me sister we near bi wate nkofo be mpa wase na me pe wasem nkofo se na wo kire ho na wo de wo se na wo ma ne kra mpa se wo de wo mani be kire ma ye hu ade nkoa wa wo mafo mpa se wo be ma ye hu nkola ne ni de bia na wo twa picture na de nkola ne chi a be kire video na nkola ne chi na sister me kra nso de ya na mpa se me hwe nti ya pa cho ye hu bibi ma ye wai na ukunu kra mpo de wo de ukunu na wo mfa nkire wo ma ne de ma ye hwe nkola na wo fe wo mo chi no mo chi nkola tum so mo fe ankasa wangasa we ahofedua nti mpacha no na Ghana fo se me kan kire se saa de ne nko anti ne ye ase bebe na heti nti me srew ye hu bibi mai wacha se ye pe wasem advice am sister edia braye no o say am ready brofo na me chechire mo kire the person you love should be where you calm your soul they should be your safest place to be. Life is hard. That person should be your solace. What me kwa bonten na chese nsem bebre aha wo chese ntokwa bi kura adwuma mu kura obitimi hye wabufuo ne chese wo ye ho hwe nye na so wo obi a wo do no obi a odo wakoma so wo hia ne pe na wo se wako stress na ebufuo ne nyina otimi calm ne dan na se wo obi wa brabo na se san nipa no wo nya sa we nyina efi wa sister mpacho brother mpacho jan why onya o soulmate because o soulmate dey say no matter your mood when you born so na mood na was esisa automatically and so uchocho mujo na say hu na say more fire there. Oh sister brother I'm sorry on your soulmate. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm talking from experience. What you say to me sister no she's talking from experience. Nti me tanana mo echi nyo kan enu anu no because udofo de ono no was say like ubufu just say bibia hyew so na say hu sa nipa na wo nkasa ye kra weni bone so kra na je say wakoma adwodo bibia de di ala say na wo di aka na hyehyes na say ejuma na si madafo enne mi gidi say we sua ade kakra na wa entertain wo dabi mi na me entertain dabi my entertain wo so kakra enu nti na me pese we me ko odaye because again you die onu ane ho ofe onu so our talent o konkonsem onu so our bash credit so oni pe weni bo ne so pe na je say weni mi na serious ti me pese we me ko odaye mu nti no me beja we me the funny video in pacho man go for free baby o se de bia wo ma me boka na mafaka bi o mitumi ko Dubai na hwehwe funny video de abra den muso amu ma me hwe nti ene me di mia me de at TikTok da me nam holding den nti me sinse me ko akofaka mu amu ma me hwe susu da me faka akofa funny video abra ne ma me fa me de enso mbra nti me what talent pa enya konkonsan kwa na me water me stand say actress woni ma me catch show eno nti no enne me funny video no it's from your favorite girl, Prissy Babe. Producer Mbacho, for mama chef no mo enjoy kakra. Right, mommy come on to na mo enjoy.
So this year me your boni bi and I hu me suba e bi enyo ofa. We dem person fi makoma mu nyina aka che say wonya hu hwe. Next year fe kwa na obi hu ne kese. Me nsesan ana me nya ma yuse mesesa so.
Sweat 247 ye jinem yes so share why am born you say me ba be pa do train I read me ba be principal ba be pa me chop it's again me pride no o hwehwe pride na ho pa me won ya ba bia almost me pa cho da into there next year it was almost 247 me sister da me ni me sister di dey me jini say we dey agi funny video do it on this very note I say goodbye, chop keys.